Hey there, tech enthusiasts.
Add body
Today,
text.
we're going to dive into the world of Microsoft Excel and learn how to create a pivot table. Pivot tables are a powerful tool in Excel that allow you to analyze and summarize data in a variety of ways. They're incredibly useful for quickly and easily creating charts, graphs, and reports. To create a pivot table, first, select the data you want to analyze. Then, go to the Insert tab and click on PivotTable. Choose the option to create a new table or add to an existing one. Once your pivot table is created, you can start adding fields to it. Drag and drop the fields you want to include in your analysis. You can also change the layout, add filters, and more. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with your pivot tables. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time, happy analyzing!